If you have a crack in your foundation, it's critical that you both fill and structurally reinforce it so it doesn't open back up in the future. Most brands only have products to fill the crack, but DRICORE has a complete product line to effectively fill the crack as well as structurally reinforce it with carbon fiber. Now, injecting concrete cracks alone does not prevent them from re-cracking, so you'll need to strengthen them with the DRICORE Carbon Fiber Reinforcement Kit. Carbon fiber is lightweight, it's 10 times stronger than steel, non-corrosive, and can easily be painted over for a discreet repair that will stand the test of time. Now, whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIYer, DRICORE has great installation guides that will lead you through the repair process with ease. DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair has you covered with their easy 3-step system, which includes Step 1, Crack Prep Surface Paste. Step 2, Crack Injection Expanding Foam. And Step 3, the Carbon Fiber Reinforcement Kit. DRICORE, don't build without it.